Good morning everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is what is delimitation. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently questioning the delimitation of Lok Sabha seats, the IT Minister K.T. Rama Rao said South states cannot be penalized for controlling their population growth and concentrating on development. Now let's discuss what is delimitation. According to the Election Commission, the word delimitation is defined as the act or process of fixing limits or boundaries of territorial constituencies in a country or a province having a legislative body. The Delimitation Commission is to work without any executive influence. The Constitution mandates that the Commission's orders are final and cannot be questioned before any court. When the orders of the Delimitation Commissioner are laid before the Lok Sabha or State Legislative Assembly, they cannot effect any modification in the orders. Now, why is it needed? To provide equal representation of equal segments of a population, fair division of geographical areas so that one political party doesn't have an advantage over others in an election, and to follow the principle of one vote, one value. Now let's discuss about the constitutional provisions. Under Article 82, the Parliament enacts a Delimitation Act after every census. Under Article 170, states also get divided into territorial constituencies as per Delimitation Act after every census. Accordingly, the Parliament enacts a Delimitation Commission Act, and an independent high-powered panel known as the Delimitation Commission is constituted to carry out the exercise of delimitation. The first delimitation exercise was carried out by the President with the help of the Election Commission in 1950-51. Parliament has enacted the Delimitation Commission Acts in 1952, 1962, 1972 and 2002 for this purpose. There was no Delimitation Commission Act after the 1981 and 1991 census. The present delimitation of constituencies has been done on the basis of 2001 census data under the provisions of the Delimitation Commission Act 2002, and the next Delimitation Commission will be set up after 2026. Now let's discuss about Delimitation Commission. The Delimitation Commission is a high-powered committee entrusted with the task of drawing and redrawing of boundaries of different constituencies for the State Assembly and Lok Sabha elections. It is appointed by the President and works in collaboration with the Election Commission. The Commission consists of a retired or working Supreme Court judge, chairperson, Election Commissioner, and concerned state election commissioners. The Commission's order have the force of law and cannot be called in question before any court. The Commission's orders are laid before the Lok Sabha and the legislative assemblies concerned, but they cannot effect any modifications in the orders. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Delimitation Commission. 1. It is appointed by the President and works in collaboration with the Election Commission. The Commission's orders have the force of law and cannot be called in question before any court. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.